Need to fix the Sqmapi.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. To begin our Sqmapi troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Sqmapi, the software quality metrics Sqmapi. It manages the unmanaged collection of telemetry and usage patterns, facilitating the data link for Microsoft's quality manifest. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. When a core file like Sqmapi.dll is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Sqmapi message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Safety first, never attempt to replace Sqmapi.dll with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Sqmapi. Thank you for trusting us with Sqmapi repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.